Erokamano Jojuma, kawadhi nyime ni jagoro maduong' e migao mar keto mwandu Abubakar Hassan okwayo rowere kod jolupo mondo onon thuolo mathoth mag tije manitiere sekta mar ochumi mar nam ahinya to wan rech mar dusruok. E kinde mane en e limbe mare e kambi mar Kenya Tropical Sea Life EPZ, Hassan ne olero mago kuom ber mar ohalano ka owacho ni loko ohand rech mag dusruok nyalo kelo yuto moloyo 20% moloyo uso rech e yor chiemo kende. E jiwote makama, Farm Africa ochako chenro mar keto omenda maromo bilion 2.6 e kaunti ma Kilifi ka okang' mar konyo rowere yudo tiegruok kendo keto okenge mag yudo tich. Gavana ma Kilifi Gideon Mung'aro ne opuoyo chenro makamano ka wacho ni ma dhi konyo jiwo yore mag tije kaunti no.
This enterprise has already contracted 150 fishermen who are going out there in our Indian Ocean across our 4 coastal cities to get the ornamental fish, which are being, there's a small value addition done here for 2 to 3 months, and then they are exported to the world. So we are seeing a lot of opportunity here, and what we are telling our fishermen that when they go out there, they should not only focus on fish for eating, but they should also focus on the non-eating fish. They are called ornamental, and there is an off-taker ready here.
Tuko na nafasi za mashamba ambazo tunaweza kutumia kuweza kuwekeza kusaidia vijana wakaweze kuwekeza katika mambo ya ukuzaji samaki, na tuko na teknolojia tofauti ambazo pia tutakuwa tunajishirikisha. Tunajua kuwa ziko hapa katika county, na mambo ya kama black soldier fly tutakuwa tunaangazia kujua vile ambavyo inaweza kutumika kuboresha chakula cha samaki.
Nashukuru sana Farm Africa kwa sababu ile mipango amekuja nayo. Kwanza kutakuwa na dola milioni 3 za kutoa kama mswada wa ukulima huu ambazo itakuwa ni grants. Ya pili itakuwa milioni 5 ambayo itakuwa ni watu kukopa wakulima kufanya uvuvi wa samaki na urudishe. Na hiyo itasaidia watu wetu sana.